First, install the thermometer. Start. Open prism. This is the near light prism. Prism. The eyepiece adjusts focus, dispersion, scales, refractive index, hand wheel, and Lin-Weiwei screw. Prior to initiating the measurement, you'll need to calibrate the readings with distilled water by applying 2 to 3 drops. Close prism. Accommodate the prism. Note, to open the light aperture here, observe through the eyepiece. Then, cross-reference with the current distilled water temperature to obtain a refractive index of 1.3324. Check eyepiece. First, center the bright edge. Adjust the dispersion ring to remove aberration, then set refraction to 1.3324. The light-dark boundary is off-center. Then use a screwdriver to adjust the fine-tuning screw until the light-dark boundary aligns with the crosshair center. Calibrated. After calibration, add sample for testing. Adjust the hand wheel to align the light-dark line with the crosshair center. Once adjusted, you can read the refractive index value. After testing, clean the prism surface by wiping off the sample with soft paper or cloth. For different samples, use appropriate cleaning agents like alcohol or water. Finally, dry it thoroughly with an air blower to keep it clean and dry.